Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites so the install won't fail. Make sure Windows 10 or later is active, 4 GB RAM free, and 500 MB disk ready. This avoids mid-download errors. Next, sign into the official store. You need a verified account with two-factor authentication to access releases. Once logged in, search for Paint JR and confirm the exact version number and release date. This prevents installing a beta or wrong build. Download permissions are next, so grant them promptly and prepare to run the installer. You run the installer with administrator privileges to avoid permission issues. Accept UAC prompts when they appear. During the custom install step, pick only the plugins and file associations you need and set a clear install path. This keeps your system organized and avoids conflicts with other Paint tools. After files copy, make sure required runtimes like NET and latest graphics drivers are present. These affect performance and stability. Once done, launch Paint JR and complete initial profile and preference setup. You finish by activating the license or signing into Cloud Sync, so settings and assets persist across devices. Import your brushes, palettes, and templates, then export a test file to PNG or JPG to confirm the pipeline works. If something goes wrong, say Paint JR crashes or tools misbehave, first check the app logs for errors, then reinstall missing runtimes or update the graphics driver. If problems persist, reset user preferences to defaults. This often resolves corrupt config issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.